Resources at your disposal.
Kigomano giki gya thiku igiri kia magavana na anini ao gikinyire muthia muthenya wa umuthi mwena wa Mombatha kuria gaturu ga kigomano giki kauma githurano kia muikariri giti wa gatano wa kanju ya magavana.
May I also thank you for honoring the invitation of the Council of Governors.
Hidi ya kigomano giki gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Ann Waiguru niwe uthurirwo ta muikariri giti mweru wa kanju ino. Goko nake gavana wa Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi agithurwo ta munini wa Ann Waiguru.
I am profoundly humbled, honored and privileged to be entrusted with this role at a critical time when we have just ushered in the third generation of county governments.
Hare ndomereri yake thutha wa kwiyukia giturwa giki Waiguru ni ahoire unyitaniri kuma kuri magavana o mundu umwe na thirikari nene niguo gukinyaniria utamburukia wa mahinya guku akihoya kuongererwo gwa kigina kuri thirikari cia kaunti.
As a Council of Governors, we commit to a collaborative approach in governance and affirm our support to ensure that the manifesto of the government and the manifesto of all counties and the government is achieved.
Mwena-ini wake hari ndomereri iria ithomirwo ni speaker wa bunge ya kifururi Moses Wetangula, President William Ruto ni augire thirikari cia kaunti ni gitugi kinene na kia bata hari gukinyaniria utamburukia wa mahinya maturaini.
The legal framework has established various intergovernmental structures aimed at facilitating the said interactions. I want to emphasize to you, Excellencies, my commitment to strengthen and rejuvenate the laid down in the governmental structures as primary platforms for engagement between the two levels of government in the cooperation and resolution of matters of interest.
Makeria nao thirikari ni ireire magavana aya unyitaniri wayo niguo gukinyaniria motungata maturaini kuona makeria ma ciringi trilioni 3.2 ni ihuthikite hari tafarira cia uthii wa nambere wonjoria o hamwe na motungata ma ugima wa muingi.
I will engage the cabinet with a view to reintroduce the bill on source revenue in parliament to give the counties a legal framework for enhancing revenue collection at the county levels. And you can count on me to support that when it comes.
Na kuona ni gukoretwo na ngucanio ya motungata gatagati-ini ga thirikari nene na cia county, thirikari ni yathire ministry ya kigina irekererie motungata maria mari ma thirikari cia county ni manengererio thirikari ici o hamwe na kigina gya kuramata motungata maya.
We committed ourselves to ensuring that the shareable revenue is transferred to counties in a timely and predictable manner and in accordance with the law.
Wetangula oho ni aruhitie ni guthurwo kwa magavana atumia na anini ao aria ni atumia akiuga uyu ni mwerekera mwega kuri uthii wa nambere wa bururi.
I note with satisfaction that 7 women governors have been elected, up from 3 in the last general election. I wish to take this opportunity to specifically congratulate them for coming out victorious during the just concluded elections.
Hadu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma gicũa-ini kaunti ya Mombatha, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.